Dryer not heating up, I think I have a solution. First I'm going to do is remove the lint screen. Okay, you see there's no lint on it. Then we're going to take our lint brush and go down in there. I have the dryer running while I'm doing this. If you don't feel comfortable, and my best advice is don't have the dryer running, but I left it running, so if I'm knocking lint loose, it'll blow it out. Let's go outside and have a look at that. Now you see all the lint and debris in this. I'm guessing that's probably what's causing it not to heat up, because the flaps aren't opening up the whole way, so the dryer can't release the air for airflow. So we're going to go ahead, take these off. Now you want to remember how these fins go back in. You want to put them in the reverse order you took them out. You just kind of bend them and pull. Now we're going to go ahead and clean out the lint in this hose. Look in there and make sure there's nothing living in there before you reach in there. I'm just going to go ahead and start pouring out some of this lint and dirt. I do have the dryer running, so it's blowing out towards me. The ideal way to do this is from the inside out, like getting behind the dryer, pushing everything out. My problem is there's no easy way for me to get behind the dryer. Next up, we're going to stick a little brush in here. Now I don't think they make these type brushes anymore, but what I'll do is I'll put a link in down below to some brushes that I think will actually work. Basically the only thing you're doing is going in and out as far as you can, pulling it back out and trying to get all the lint out. Now we're going to go ahead and replace our little fins. Basically the same way you took them out, bend them, just push them in. Place your grill cover over it. Now this probably will help with your dryer not heating up. Now if it doesn't, I'm guessing it's probably a heater coil or heater coils inside the dryer, and that's going to take a repairman coming out and fixing it or just replacing the dryer. Hopefully you found this video useful. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.